So I'm filming this at the end. We'll get a little peek of the truck here. Yeah, there she is. Little peek of the truck. Thank you guys so much for all the comments and support on these videos. They are getting popular. You guys are getting engaged. So I just want to say thank you. Tell your friends. Make sure to like and subscribe. I'm out of breath. I'm excited if you couldn't tell. Just thank you guys. Enjoy this. It's going to be freaking sweet. All right, y'all. So my truck just got dropped off today. My new truck, my 21, got dropped off. It's going to get the lift kit put on, my wheels and tires for my black 19, and the cold air intake. The way it worked out, my work schedule and whatnot, it is Saturday right now. I had to drop that truck off today. It's going to sit there all day tomorrow and not get anything done, but it's going to get started Monday morning so I can pick it up Monday. That was as soon as they could have it done, worked out with my work schedule. So it's there, and they gave me this 2021 Silverado RST. So this isn't sponsored or anything. You know, these guys didn't cut me a deal or whatnot, but if y'all live in the Aspen, Vale area, shit, man, go to Mountain Chevrolet in Glenwood Springs. Those guys are freaking A-okay. They're taking really good care of me, made the process pretty freaking awesome, and yeah, they worked out good deals. They're taking care of me. It's great guys. So I wanted to make this jumping from my Custom Trail Boss right back to an RST. So this is the same trim level that my black truck was, and obviously got the heated seats going right now, heated steering wheel. If I have them, I'm going to use them. My biggest takeaway is the seat. The lumbar adjust on the seat is more comfortable on the driver's seat, and the speakers, and that's pretty much it. I mostly listen to country music and kids bop, so I didn't think the speakers would be that big of a difference, but goodness gracious, these Bose speakers are awesome in this truck. So I'm probably gonna have to do some upgrading with the Custom Trail Boss here soon. Holy guacamole, y'all. That's the only way I can explain it. I had to wait a little bit to start filming because, man, am I excited for how this truck turned out. The only thing that needs changed was the wheels, but that'll happen eventually. But goodness gracious, I am so freaking stoked. If y'all could hear the things I'm saying to myself off camera, you'd think I'm insane. But I honestly feel like a kid that just got exactly what they wanted for Christmas. I'm so stoked on this truck. You just gotta check it out. What better way to break in a brand new lift kit than to take her off-road? But those glamour shots, it was parked kind of on a hill there, so the back actually is technically higher than the front. It's not perfectly level. So yeah, ReadyLift, 2-inch in the front, 1-inch rear. Holy crap, guys, this thing, oh my god, it turned out better than I thought it was gonna look. It looks bigger than the black truck, especially with the wheels and tires. I mean, the tires on I guess the tires on this truck were 32s, so we're going to 34.5s, and 2-inch lift kit, we're sitting 4 or 5 inches taller than it was stock when I dropped it off on Sunday. So we'll get it real muddy here, we'll jump out, and oh, actually traffic coming on, and go over it. All right, y'all, there she is. So let's start in the front. I showed you all the unboxing of the lift kit. So we have the ReadyLift upper control arms. It comes with strut preload spacers. That's pretty much it for the front. And then the rear is just a leaf block. It's actually underneath the leaf spring. So yeah, new upper control arms, spacers, rear lift. So 2 in the front, 1 in the back. And then I get my Goodyear Wrangler Ultra Terrains and the Moto Metal wheels that I don't like back. But dude, compared to this truck being stock, it's like, oh my goodness. Like even the Trail Boss, you know, the Trail Boss is lifted, but I can't get over it, dude. I cannot get over it. I keep getting choked up here. I'm so hungry. But, oh, it turned out so much better than I thought it could. This is me just being purely excited. I'm just so excited. I mean, it's definitely a feeling to be able to buy a brand new truck and then pretty much immediately build it and just have it be exactly what you want it to be. Like, this is exactly what I imagined the truck turning out as. Even better. That lift kit looks so freaking good, dude. And this is how the intake came off. So this is the intake from the black truck. I'm gonna have to probably order some parts to get that back on, but that will be getting put on eventually. But for now, oh God, there's just so much mud out here. For now, that's it, man. I just wanted to get my first reactions of this truck. I'm so hungry. I worked all day, but that is something. So we got to put the intake on, got to get new wheels, probably headlights, all that stuff. But there she is. That is the semi-finished product. 2-inch lift kit on my 2021 Silverado Custom Trail Boss. Almost 35-inch tires. Man, thank y'all for watching. All the support and everything. It means a lot to me.